miso soup, beef curry, 印度飯。一般西式早餐。哦 ，yogurt smoothie。哇！我最中意嘅。我哋而家開始呢個搭船睇冰川嘅 local tour。呢個 local tour 咧就要200幾蚊紐西蘭元。琴日原本有人話係40幾蚊嘅，不過我覺得200幾蚊都可以參加嘅。今日嘅天氣，我覺得 OK，
好舒服啊！
咁啊，雖然好多雲，但係好似薄薄地嘅啫。
係啊。
咁我哋今日都唔係睇風景，所以藍天就冇乜用啦。有個白雲，
係啊，
散射下啲陽光都幾好。
好好啊，唔會辣親，仲要我冇太陽眼嘅。
係。頭先搭車嚟呢度嘅時候，個導遊話呢度好多嗰啲
荊棘樹。
荊棘樹。
嗰邊啊？
係啊，咁佢就話啲荊棘樹咧，就咧對呢度個生態就好重要嘅。咁因為呢度咧好多都啲石咧就碎石咧就 keep 唔到水。咁但係咧呢啲荊棘樹咧就可以 nitrogen fixing， 將空氣之中嘅 nitrogen 又變成即係有機嘅物質。
啊！
咁跟住 Tiffany 咧就話佢
喂，咁都要講嘅咩？
細個嘅時候學 nitrogen fixing 咧係嗰啲花生。Leguminous plant。
不如你要講咩中文？
其實就中四。
力金。
咁係leguminous plant 咯。
And then down to the lake, okay? Everyone happy? Beautiful day. Yep.
Good.
Good.
Excited? Yeah. So my name is Tatum. If you forget, it's just online journey from Plainstone further. So before we head down, I'm just going to quickly check the light. So it does need to be zipped in the middle and clipped. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come and have a look, double check that everyone's clipped in properly. I'm going to have you two here.
So at the back, if you guys want to sit on each
side or in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome,
開船。
guys.
Yeah.
So, before we go out, where's everyone from?
哇！好大風啊！
我呢度好似 OK 啊，因為有啲人遮住。
係有人遮住。
係啊。
哇！嗰邊好清楚啊！而家。
係啊。Awesome, guys. I had a little bit of a splash. Cool, so this is one of my favorite spots in the lake. This is because we have quite a spectacular view of everything it has to offer. So to our left, again, we have Mount Cook, New Zealand's
Go, go, Mount Cook.
tallest mountain, standing at 3,724 meters tall. It does actually have 3 peaks. We can only see 2 right now, but on your way in from the hotel, if you guys could see it, you would have seen the peak that we're unable to see from this side, and vice versa. So you guys got quite a good little view of both sides there. Probably around a week and a half ago, we got this one. It was a lot bigger, a lot taller, but with the weather, with the wind, with the rain, it starts to break it down a lot faster.
哦。
要攞嗰啲冰。加油啊！
點攞？
加油！
去邊度攞？去邊度？有咩？
嗰啲啊，遠少少。
Bend over here. Oh, I'm gonna bend over if you don't mind. Yeah.
呢啲啊，呢啲啊，攞啊，攞啊，攞啊！
有咩？哦，佢攞到咁大嚿嘅。
With this one. So this is an ice crystal, and all the ice crystals that you see have broken off of one of the icebergs. When you have a look at it, I'm going to pass around and take some cool photos with it. If you're not interested, just take a little nibble out of it. Have a look at how cool the shape of it is. It's almost like a jigsaw puzzle, and I'll get into that as well. And if you look really closely, you can see some of that dirt, so some of that confusing.
Oh.
And if you look even closer, it's got little air bubbles or air pockets. And I'll chat about those as well, but definitely have a close look and see what you can see. Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, so cool.
Great question.
喂，影。
No life, just a lot of iPhones, Samsungs. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys had an interpreter on the bus, having a little chat about.
我影佢。
入邊有啲咩塵啊？嗰啲
Did you
冇
guys have a little bit of an interpreter on the bus? A little bit of a
Okay.
somebody chatting about features around the
已經
park.
散咗啦，
So
嗰
you
嚿
probably
嘢
would
散
have
咗變咗兩
mentioned
嚿。
glacial ice or
邊拍？
望過嚟
got a nice little rock in as well.
好。
邊拍冇乜睇見到太陽。
Just in the middle, almost
Mm.
like polypores. So those are called stress fractures. So those are usually from what happens when it breaks from just gonna start getting that crystallization from that we were just chatting about over there. So the white color is gonna lose that blue hue to it. Again, that's what can only happen. This could happen in just a couple hours.
Đúc乜嘢喺度？
佢想揾個位睇下可唔可以勾住佢。哦，呢嚿冰啊，藍色嗰邊應該原本係低啲嘅，白色嗰邊咧岩巉啲咧就係應該露出嚟耐啲嘅。嗰邊咧好似有啲即係啫喱狀啲咁樣。
哦，係咧。哦，即係佢話咩 honey 嗰個。
係啊。
哦，點會啫喱狀啲嘅咩？
佢就係話冇咗啲氣泡，跟住就開始 crystallization 咁嘅樣啊！
Okay, so we're gonna do 5 minutes.
我哋嚟到 Tasman Glacier。 佢話每年幾多啊？150，
每年冇咗百幾啊！
每年會冇咗百幾啊嘛。跟住佢話150米啊嘛。咁佢話咧500米係安全線，因為佢驚佢冧落嚟可能會即係整親架船。
冧落嚟我都爆上嚟。
係啊，跟住佢話。
Again, just like glacial till, so
其實我哋呢度500米距離，咁即係4-5年前咧，呢度咧就原本咧應該係冰川，
係啊，都幾
咁而家已經縮到去嗰度啊，咁都幾誇張。
係咯，都幾誇張。
即係再過多幾年佢唔使撈喎，冇啦。
冇晒。
So again, everyone happy with their photos?
Copy.
Good. Don't forget to be contacted.
係啊，唉，
Also, $5. My side hustle. So it's gonna be around 10 minutes again for us
好啦
back.
我哋坐船翻去啦
The。sun's out now, so it's a little bit warmer. But if you do get cold, just put your hands in. Any issues, just sing out, let me know.
好，拜拜。好，我哋攞車離開 Hermitage Hotel 同埋呢個 Mount Cook 嘅 National Park Area。
我哋嗰間房會貓哭，差喎真係。
哦，
即係其實呢度係我自製出嚟。嗰啲係 hot smoke，呢啲係 cold smoke。
係刺身級。
但係佢係即係110成翻佢嗰個 net weight。
Oh yeah, he can find your country and just put a couple of one stroke with this.
哦，
And if it's not
你今晚有嘢食咩？
最後我哋係冇喺度食嘅，亦都冇喺度 catch salmon。係啊，同喺班曲嗰度價錢貴好多，貴咗好一截。
咪食到個底喎，
係咯，好出琴日食咗嘅。
第一次過食晒佢。
係啊。啊，揸咗100幾公里，我哋嚟到我哋嘅 glamping site 啊，係第一次去外國旅行 book glamping，你入去開啊！哇！睇下睇下睇下，
有個動物皮啊！
哦，interesting 喎！
好凍啊，一定會好黐線。哇，有雀聲啊已經。
係咪另外嗰邊啊？
正喎，呢度都有拖
哦，
我哋啲包已經去喺呢度食。哇，冇人用喎。
呢度就冇煎 pan 咯，係嘛？
嗰個咯，
哦，嗰個係㗎。
但係要識點樣開呢個。
OK 喎，個樣好似。
其實我諗㗎啦，可以發揮你嘅所長。
呢個係頭先去三文魚養殖場買嘅 fillet，未搞喎，朱古力。炒完之後好似好細。
你調轉佢切咗啲肉先。
最後咧，個魚皮係切唔斷啊，嚼又嚼唔爛，切晒啲肉出嚟。咁嗰個三文魚個煙味咧，係同平時喺街度食嗰啲唔同嘅，個煙味係香好多。一陣間攞塊魚皮去炸，係煎啦。喺度 explore 緊呢個 The Camp， 好寧靜。哇！咩 Children's Swimming Area 啊嘛〜 背落去邊？